Guarantee that shit was red. Machetes and them choppers out. Bitches when they knock us out. I done fucked them all. That's why I'm standing on Ferraris, nigga. From the corner, man.
392 dollars. Back to another video. So today really hurt me. This is my car since I joined the army, before I even was in the army, and the car went down. It isn't down, but I don't want to make it go down. The transmission's acting up. It's a stick shift, 2011 Kia Optima. So I need to do a service on my gear oil since it's a manual. So I picked up some gear oil, and we're just gonna change it. I'm gonna show y'all the process of changing it. I haven't done a service since I got the vehicle, so I'm gonna just show y'all, and y'all stay tuned for that. If you haven't hit that like, subscribe, or comment, go ahead and do that. Gonna be right there. If y'all haven't seen, the charger is right there looking clean, of course, and the key is right there. You see the 8090, of course, too, or that's 7590. So we're just gonna be putting new gear oil in there and getting it ready, so y'all stay tuned for that, and we out. Okay, y'all, so now we're gonna be removing the skid plate to try to get to the transmission and the transmission bolt. This is a 10mm bolt. Get those off. And the skid plate comes off in 2 sections. I don't know why Kia did that. But for me to take this to the shop, it was 500 bucks for them to change it, the fluid. It's like, nah, I can do it myself. So I'll just do it myself. Shouldn't be easy. I mean, shouldn't be too hard. I'm a mechanic, so it should be hard. Jesus, can you come off? Okay, I'll get back to y'all when the bolts are all off, and y'all stay tuned. I don't know where to drain it at. I assume it's right here, so it's a bolt right underneath it. Not sure the bolt size, but I'll find it out. I just use a crescent. Wrenches. It's not a 7/8, it's not a 7/8. Not a 1/8. So, let me see. We got a few, but big. That's not it. That's not it. That's definitely not it. That's not it. Okay. So I'm gonna use a crescent. I'm gonna use a vice grip. I don't have the correct size. Not budging. is it. You can smell it. Grab some rags. That's some fluid. I mean, I have fluid in there, but it was really hard to shift and all that, you know. Hard to shift. That definitely wasn't 2 quarts, so I definitely was either low on fluid or I needed to change fluid. But every time I shift, it was really hard. Yeah, it has no more smell to it, so you know what gear oil smells like, and that's my gear oil, so. Okay guys, so I found out that wasn't, the fill plug wasn't up top. It makes sense for the fill plug to be up top, right? So, cutting this off. So I got gear oil Lucas 7590, and the fill plug is right here. As you can see, see if it comes out. Oh, not even. Cool. So I'm gonna see if this is a real fill plug. Just gonna squirt some in there. Okay, that is a fill plug. See it dripping out. So let it cycle through. Also too, look at the drain plug. Isn't a lot of metal shavings. I mean, it is, but it isn't. Yeah, that's a lot. I'm sorry. You guys can see that's a pretty, I mean, it's a lot. Has 150,000 miles on it, so I expect that. But I'm gonna clean it off and just letting it drain out a little bit. So, finish this. So it wasn't too much metal shavings, but I know where I got this one from. I say it was underneath here. Okay, yeah. There we go. Tighten it now. I have the right tools to sure what size bolt this is. I think that's it. Ah, that hurt. I cut myself too. That's on. Now we're gonna be filling it. So just say fill it up until it starts draining out. So it takes about 2. Wipe this down. Takes 2 quarts. Or 1.9 quarts, sorry. Actually, tighten that up. Takes 1.9 quarts. So, ease it into there. Actually, it did cut myself, damn it. Every time I work on a car, I cut myself. Just take your time, keep wiping it down, adding fluid, whatnot. Wipe it down, add fluid, wipe it down, add fluid, because it's gonna drip. And show you all the end result once I'm done adding fluid. So I fixed it, ready to go. Changed the oil, wasn't that bad, it was simple. 2 quarts, 2 bolts, skid plate. I use a vice grip, so now I'm gonna show y'all how it shifts and how it drives, and I'm gonna mount y'all up. Y'all stay tuned. So can't mount y'all perfectly, but just going a little drive. That shit a little better. Feels a little better too. Yeah, it was good to get a nice little service in. They would have put it to reverse a lot quicker. It goes in the gear a lot better. Oh, man. That's how you change your transmission / gear oil, because this is a manual. That's how you change your gear oil on the 2011 Kia Optima manual 6-speed. Very easy. This is my daily car. I drove it every day to work, and I drive the Charger. Was it Friday, Saturday, and Sunday? But this went down for 3-4 days driving the Mopar. Gas is terrible on that. But I changed it 150,000 miles. You can tell the difference right out the bat. I definitely was low on fluid, so that's how you change it. Pretty easy, straightforward. And also too, thank y'all for watching. I'm at 360 subscribers, 360 subscribers. So keep subscribing, keep liking, keep hitting that subscribe, that comment button, leave a fire emoji. Go ahead and do that. And we're gonna be doing a giveaway at 500 subs. So y'all stay tuned for that. And I appreciate y'all. Y'all stay up.